GCP, and but we have been working with several providers. We even built our own native cluster on providers like Hetzner or OVH, etc. Especially when you start to become GDPR compliant or PCI compliant, you need absolutely to be in a certain shape so that you could pass penetration testing. And by the way, do you know that Lasting Dynamics is also about to be ISO 27001 certified?
Someone yesterday actually happened to mention it, or Wednesday, yes.
Yeah. Well, that's another interesting achievement for a small medium enterprise like Lasting Dynamics. There are a lot of huge enterprises, large enterprises that I believe it's such a shame. I'm sorry if I'm being a little direct, but not holding such important certification is quite of a problem. Lasting Dynamics is already ISO 9001 certified. That is the quality certification, and we are also carbon neutral. And we have now let's say a set of certifications that we are acquiring, because Lasting Dynamics is growing now a lot into the field of tenders and public administration collaborations.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
We already collaborate with the Italian one, the Spanish one. We are now about to start a collaboration with the Norwegian, and we will start already through with another big administration. I would say later, because otherwise competitors will. Okay.
Swoop in and yeah. Did you want to add anything about the virtual reality?
Maybe I can give you an overview. This is an industry that is growing a lot. There is a huge interest into this technology across US and Middle East and Far East Asia. Even so, the technology is bringing new options. We have been discussing this a lot into our digital transformation podcast. It's not only about business, but also education. And it's not only about gaming, but it's also about eventually enhancing the reality and giving someone especially with mixed reality, give the option to have more information, analyze more data in a lifetime while they're working, while they're doing a task in the office. And that is actually really promising. There is a huge investment in this direction from big enterprises such as Meta, of course.
Yeah, for sure.
This already gives you, and now also Apple. So this already gives you an idea of where this is going and where it will go. And I truly believe that this uncomfortable and a bit ugly hardware, the headset, will very soon become something much more thin and easy to wear. So I honestly myself cannot wait to start using Vision Pro.
Okay.
I believe it's a game changer. Apple is usually innovating a lot every time they enter with a new product line when they enter a market. And it seems that Vision Pro is already another level of competition. I truly believe that what will happen is that the Chinese companies will start to place cheaper hardware with almost the same performance on the market as it happened with the smartphones. And as soon as that happens, then everyone is going to jump into this with software development, cross-platform development. It's going to be really, really interesting. For now, what we are doing is that we are already upskilled ourselves. Now we pretty much can code whatever.
For example?
So, for example, you know that we accrued a lot of experience in constructions, insurance, in the insurtech, banking, fintech, real estate, and entertainment, e-commerce, neuroscience. I see that there is an application in every industry, pretty much,
for virtual reality.
For virtual reality, but especially for mixed reality. That is the next thing. If I think about how neuroscientists work on many screens and they analyze live data and the complexity of the data curation practices that they follow, or eventually when they try to fine-tune some AI and model to make sure that that would succeed better.